Today, if you see a man or a woman who's handsome or beautiful, you immediately say, oh, he's the right one, he's the person for me. But what happens? Once you get married, then you know the real color. When you walk the journey, marriage life, then you know the real color. Everyone who wants something immediately, they can get an ordinary thing. But only those who wait can receive the extraordinary. Whatever that comes immediately, instantly, very fast, is not going to stand long with you. It will create disaster. It will create problems for us. Hallelujah. Today, if you see a man or a woman who's handsome or beautiful, you immediately say, oh, he's the right one, he's the person for me. But what happens? Once you get married, then you know the real color. When you walk the journey, marriage life, then you know the real color. That time you can't take a U-turn. It's too late for you. We don't want to wait. We want to wait. We immediately want to jump into something. Hallelujah. But if you waited, God will give you the best. The problem is you're not waiting. Immediately you go to the Facebook, WhatsApp, anyone message you, prank you. Oh, who's this person? Who is this person? Who is this person? I got a secret admirer. That's how they will feel. So eager to know. All this is not permanent. Not permanent. Hallelujah. When God has a perfect blessing for you, the devil too has a duplicate blessing for you. Which seems to be like the real blessing. The real blessing only can be found in the Lord. The duplicate you can get in the market, the pasar, very easily. So it means very easily you can get. So this is simply what happened to our life. When God has the perfect one for you, perfect man, perfect woman for you, devil too has what is similar to the perfect man and perfect woman. So you thinking that, oh, that day God spoke to the man of God, my waiting time is over, this is the person, then. That's what you would feel. But at the end, the duplicate comes and stands there. And you get into a wrong relationship. Get married to the wrong person. Now what happens? Lifelong you suffer. Why? You could not wait. If you would have waited, God would give you the best. Some people, if they can prophesy a little, if they can do little things, some ministries, casting out demons, healing, immediately they say, oh, I must be a pastor. Everybody wants to be a pastor. When they see signs and wonders are taking place, they feel that they are pastor. No. You have to wait upon the Lord. And that is why many churches are being closed. Many people, they stopped their ministries. They could not run the ministries. They could not maintain the people. They could not take care of their flock. Because why? That is not their call. When they did something, when they saw something pleasing to their eyes, when they saw something is nice to their eyes, immediately they want to do that. Hallelujah. By right, you should have been waiting for the Lord, asking God's sign, permission, and confirmation, and then you start something. When you wait upon the Lord, it means you are trusting His timing. You are trusting His timing. And in His time, whatever that comes into our life, it surely will be the perfect thing, the best thing. Hallelujah. At that moment, God will lead you to the blessings and give the best to others, and you will have no regrets over it. He will make you feel worth of waiting for Him. He will make you feel worth. Now you might be suffering, but on that day when you receive, you feel like it is worth. I'm waiting all this while for God, for I have received the best.
You have just listened to Reverend Jonathan Ezra's sermon message. If this message was a blessing to you, please share it so that others will be blessed as well. For more video sermons, kindly like us on our Facebook page, Tabera Ministries, or find us on YouTube as well. May God bless you.